What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Z Baby with another video, and in today's video I am doing another cook with me video. In this video I am going to be making a kebab salad, and I'm going to be making steak, and I'm going to be making a dessert. So if you're interested in listening, well, I said listen, y'all, I'm so silly. If you're interested in watching this video, keep watching the video, and please, give me some feedback, guys. Like, if you watch my video and you don't give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, I don't know if you guys like this type of content on here, or I'll stop making it, because I used to make food videos all the time, and then, like, I wasn't getting as much views as possible. So if you guys like to see more cooking videos, let me know, because, like, your girl's optimistic, okay? Like, I might have to change my whole channel description. But here we are looking at some of the tomatoes that I'm grabbing. I'm going to make this salad, and I'm just in the grocery store just getting the things that I need. However, I didn't make a list, which is super important. But anyway, you guys, I'm rambling, and we're going to get right into it. Okay, so now I have reached home, and the first thing I'm going to put in my frying pan, saucepan, Dutch pan, whatever you call it. I think it is called a huge saute pan. So I have my saute pan. I have my spinach that I'm adding here. Now I'm adding some oil, some little bit of seasoning, salt, which is really not good, but here goes, addicted to a little bit of salt. So I put the salt inside of my spinach or whatever. You can see the food is starting to simmer a little bit. What you guys don't see is that I don't think I filmed me putting the kale inside, but I did add kale to this meal. So it's actually kale and spinach or whatever, which is really good for you, and I just really love it. So there we have our spinach, and like I said, I make these meals all the time at home. It's something to think about because fall is coming up, and towards the winter time I really don't like going out the house. So just wanted to show you guys some fast fun meals. I haven't made a cooking video in a minute, but your girl is trying her best. Okay, so now I'm just adding some onion inside of this meal, and I believe I'm gonna pick up some garlic at the moment. But I like, when I make my vegetables, I like them to be sauteed. I like onions, but I don't like eating them per se. I just love that taste that it gives. So that's why I added that. Can't talk right now, but that's why I added that. So this is the kale I was talking about. So it has been added, which is a great thing, because I'm like, so yeah, this kebabs took about 15 to 25 minutes to cook. And I think it's because I wanted mine like well done. But who really eats rare chicken? I mean, come on now. So these kebabs took a long time to make. I'm not gonna cap. They took forever in a day. But I just decided to, do what I do best and make things work, because I wanted to show y'all like some fun meals that you can make for dinner. You can make them at home, whatever, gym, whatever the case is. This is a homemade meal, period. Okay, so now the fun begins. So I'm just chopping up my lettuce or whatever, because I'm getting ready to mix both kale and romaine lettuce together. You guys are going to see that in the next clip, but this is, something that I enjoy. I love making salads. They're super healthy. They also have, a lot of vitamins in them. And the best thing about salads is that you don't have to cook salad at all. Salad is one of those items where it's cold, it's fresh, it's delicious. And it's something that I just like in general. And that is the kale that you see me chopping. So, you can try out this recipe, and I guarantee you might like it. But this is something that, I wanted to try. I just said, this is what I'm going to make tonight. Moving right along, I'm checking on the kale that we sauteed, and as you can see, it's finished. I love my greens looking so nice, and I just love sauteing kale and spinach. So this really came out good. Go with the kale. I'm going to be making this steak. Okay, so here's the fun part. So I decided to make this slight dessert, which is strawberries and cream. So I just put some extra whipped cream there and some fresh cut strawberries that I bought from the grocery store. But however, I want you guys to try each of these meals and see if you like them. They were really tasty and they came out really good. And I really liked everything that I've made, and this is like super. Hey you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It took me a very long time trying to film this, but yes, these are the two items that I normally eat when I leave the gym, whether I eat it out or I make it myself. But yes, these are very good, and I always have helped myself to some fruits. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please leave a notification bell. Well, leave a notification bell, y'all. I'm a little late. Please hit the notification bell so you can get a update every time I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, enjoy your Friday.